Hey guys, today I just wanted to show you how to drain the gas tank really easily on a Buick LeSabre here. First thing you want to do, pop your cover off, come right here. This is your fuel in line. The way that you get this off is by pinching this part of it, and then you can wiggle this part up and off like that. But right there, pinch these and then pull this up. You're gonna have to undo it from the harness there. Stick this in a gas can. You come back here to your trunk. Take off the rear seat. Open this up. Right here, right here, this is your fuel pump relay. Take like a paper clip or whatever. You're going to stick it in this hole and this hole. That jumps your fuel pump. So this corner and this corner. That jumps your fuel pump. Your fuel pump's on. Your key doesn't need to be on or anything. See right there. So if this video is helpful, smash that thumbs up button for me. Helps me out a lot. Thanks.